teachers and my dear friends. Today I'm going to tell you a story through shadow puppetry. The story I'm going to tell you is The Thirsty Crow. Once upon a time, in a very hot summer, there was one crow. The crow was very thirsty. He searched and searched for water, but water is nowhere to be found. Finally, he found a pitcher. But when he looked inside, the water was too low for him to drink. Then he looked there outside. There were some pebbles. Then he suddenly got an idea. Pebble by pebble, he picked them and put them into the pitcher. And then as the water rised, the crow checked again, and then the water was at a distance he could reach. He drank the water happily, quenched his thirst, and then happily flew away. Thank you.